Today we are diving into Oreate AI. It's a professional content generation tool for efficiency and creativity, creating slides, making essays, humanized text content and so much more. Let's go in. So first go on oreateai.com. Here you have an overview about the tool. After signing up you come to this page here. On the top you have the agent with the chat prompt. On the bottom you have some examples what you can do here. AI images, AI podcasts, AI slides and so much more. But let's not waste any time here. Let's hit it. So first we try the slides agent. We want a 10 slide presentation about the future of renewable energy focusing on solar and geothermal technology. We hit enter. Now we have to answer some questions. How many pages would you like? 5 to 10, that's fine. And what type of slide? Education. And generate the outline. Oreate AI just analyzes our prompt here, searching the internet for information. Automatically we have to do nothing here. As you can see, he's picking up the information, putting it on the slides. We have now an overview about it. He is beginning with the solar technology, geothermal breakthroughs. We can now delete some slides, add slides. But we are fine, we just hit generate slides and already the first page looking amazing. It's just time saving. Normally we would work like days for it and now we get the results in minutes. We have a live preview, the style is very clean, very nice. So let's skip it till he's finished. And now he's finished and the result is amazing. I scroll through it and as you can see, very detailed, the information are correct, very nice design of the slides. It's just awesome how much work it saves for me, whether it's commercial slides or for your school or anything else. Oreate AI can do it in just seconds. Amazing. You can also edit it, full screen it, download it as PPT or PDF, share it. For the edit one, just click edit. You can use this one here and now you can replace the text or style it, whatever you want. Very, very easy. Next we look at the AI essay writer. We have a prompt of an essay of 12,000 words analyzing the implications of large language models in scientific research. We have some settings here. We want 12,000 words. The language should be English. We could also upload documents here for a better prompt, but that's fine for now. We hit next step. The model is trained to deliver long, structured papers up to 20,000 words with a single click. Now he's gathering the information automatically, so he generated some chapters for us, some case studies for it. It looks fine for now. Next step. So let Oreate AI does its magic. And we are ready to go. It took like a minute. And as you can see, he generated 16k words, 10 trusted references, ready to use in your next research and all relevant information we had before. Very, very nice. Another big feature is the Humanizer. As you can see, our original text on Quillbot is 100% likely AI. And here comes humanize. We paste it, we humanize it, and now we copy it, go back here, analyze it again. And as we can see, we have 84% human written, which is very, very good in just seconds. Another nice feature of Oreate is the AI image. We have Nana Banana Pro here. We have a prompt of an Instagram food cover with salmon and avocado. Let's hit enter. And seconds later, we have a perfect high quality, ready to use for Instagram. Very, very nice. Another example, the AI podcast feature. We have a prompt about a 1-minute podcast about blockchain technology for beginners. Hit enter and he's already finished. Let's hear it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talk for Real People. I'm Mia, and today we're unraveling a topic that sounds super complex, but is actually pretty cool. Blockchain technology. I'm really excited to dive into this with our guest, Lucas.
Hi, Mia. Thanks for having me. I'm Lucas, and I'm looking forward to demystifying blockchain.
Awesome. So, Lucas, when people hear blockchain, their eyes might glaze.
It's fantastic. We have two people talking about the blockchain technology in a podcast style. Very, very nice. So if you liked Oreate AI, just click the link in the description and try it out. See you in the next one.